Hey everybody, I'm TheTimeister and I'm collaborating once again with Paradox Interactive to bring you a tutorial on integrating your ore mining into your industry chain. Ore mining is an integral part of your industry's chain, and there are many large factories that depend heavily on it. For this tutorial, you will only require the industry's DLC, so let's jump right into it. Like every other type of industry, the first step in getting started is to place down your main office building as well as some barracks to house your industry workers. You're then ready to start extracting ore from the earth. Ore mining works similarly to every other type of industry, where you have extractor buildings and processing buildings. So for now, let's briefly go over the different extractor buildings that are available to you, and we'll jump into the processing a little later. There are 6 different ore extractor buildings available in the ore menu. There are above ground mines, underground mines, and for very large ore demands, you have a seabed mining vessel available to you. It's totally up to you which of these ore extraction buildings you want to place down, whether it be for aesthetic purposes or if you just need to meet demand, you can place a combination of all of these extractor buildings. Now let's go over our processing buildings. This is what's going to take the raw ore that we've extracted from the earth and create one of 2 products, which is either metals or glass. So let's briefly go over those. First, let's go over our metal producing buildings. The first one we have available to us is an ore grinding mill. This will produce metals in small quantities, so depending on which factory you're intending on building in your city, you may only need a small ore grinding mill. For larger demands, you may want to place a rotary kiln plant. This will produce much larger quantities of metal. Now let's move on over to our glass processing buildings. The first plant we have available, and this is again for small quantities of glass, we have a glass manufacturing plant. For much larger demands for glass, you may want to place down a fiberglass plant. It's also very important not to forget to store any excess product that has been produced, whether it be raw ore or whether it be glass or metals. There are different types of storage buildings that you can place around your ore mining facility. They all do the same thing, it just depends on what sort of look you're going for. To show you the entire ore mining process in action, let's check out this electronics manufacturing plant. As you can see, this plant requires both glass and metal from our ore mining facility. This is why it's imperative to have enough ore extraction buildings and enough processing buildings to deliver the goods to the manufacturing plant. You can click on any factory in the industry's DLC to see exactly what it requires to function. And like I said, don't be afraid to produce too many goods, as you can always store them in various storage units. Finally, having watched this tutorial, you now know how to go out and create effective and efficient ore mining facilities for your factories all around your city. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to the City Skylines channel for many more videos just like this one from your favorite City Skylines creators.